Did you know the FBI hired a man to figure out how a Soviet spy inside American intelligence would operate, and he was already that spy? Robert Hanssen was one of the most respected counterintelligence analysts in the FBI. His job was to think like the enemy. Colleagues came to him with one question: how would a Soviet mole actually survive inside American intelligence without getting caught? He had the answer: because he was the mole. For 22 years, Hanssen fed Moscow a steady stream of secrets. He handed over the names of Soviet officers who had secretly switched sides and were working for the United States. Those men were executed. And every time the FBI asked Hanssen to assess the threat of an insider spy, he used that access to quietly check whether investigators were getting close to him. They never did. The FBI didn't catch him through brilliant detective work. The CIA eventually bought his KGB file from a Russian source. The man they trusted most to find the spy was the spy.